and I'd like to help you. See if you could tell me where I adjust the rudder indicator is off by about 10 degrees. And I was hoping to adjust it, the analog one.
Okay, you're talking about the white one?
What?
You
the
said
up on the stern.
Okay, there's two of them. One of them, that white one, is on your dashboard and it's got a needle like a clock.
Yes, that's it.
That's it. So there should be a very small screw somewhere. It's called a potentiometer, or people nickname it POT, P-O-T.
Right.
Now the other one, that black one, what does the word say on the black one?
I just see Raymarine here. That's for the autopilot, I guess, isn't it?
That's correct. So both of those are rudder angle indicators. The black one talks to your Raymarine autopilot. The white one talks to the round gauge on your dashboard that looks like a clock.
This one. This is the one that talks.
Okay.
So how do we adjust that?
You're making me dizzy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. How do I adjust the one?
You'll have to look around there. There should be some kind of a tiny, tiny screw, like a computer or an electronics.
Would that be it right there?
No, that's a mechanical screw that screws that arm in place.
Okay, so you don't adjust the arm then?
No, because the arm it screws onto a flat shaft.
Okay. Well, I'll try to figure that out.
Okay, so let's look at the rudder post. See the big rudder post?
Yes.
See how it's square on the top?
Let me see if I can hold some. Yes.
Okay. Right there, that's where you can put the manual steering post if you have to.
Okay.
That's behind you against the bulkhead. You have to open up the aft seat. Look overhead. Look just overhead. There should be a 6-inch port. There you go.
Yeah.
That's where it comes through the deck.
Okay.
All right. Keep going to your left. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Two things here. This electric pump is the autopilot electric hydraulic pump.
Okay.
So the autopilot computer tells that pump to steer right or to steer left. And it will send hydraulic fluid out these different hoses to that cylinder. See the cylinder on your right?
Yes.
That's the ramrod. And that ramrod is bolted to the left. See the big black bolt pattern where it's bolted into the boat on the left? Yes. And then on the right, the ramrod pushes and pulls the rudder back and forth.
Right.
So that's the way the steering works.
Okay. Okay, anything else in here?
That jug. See that jug on the back of the generator box?
Right here, coolant?
Yep, that's the antifreeze or the coolant jug. So you can monitor your coolant level in there. What it's easier to do, because the coolant has a color in the chemical, is look at the side and thump it and see if it shakes back and forth.
Okay. I have to figure out how to get my head back there.
Okay. You can do it from one end to the other. There you go.
Yeah, there's coolant in there.
Okay, good, good. All right. Now that does not have to be full. And when you run the generator, the coolant will expand and fill the jug up. And when you turn the generator off, it will cool off and it will suction back into the generator.
Right. Okay.
All right, so what's next?
Okay, starboard, port side. I guess those two hoses are the gray water or the bilge pumps?
Well, they're above the water line, so they're discharge. might be an air conditioner discharge, might be a bilge pump discharge. That big black hose is your main engine exhaust hose.
Right.
And now also, okay, wait a minute. Look up at the hatch. Bring your camera up to hatch level.
Uh-huh.
No, go up on the deck and look down.
Okay.
Okay, now look down at the hatch. Look down at your hatch. See that gully? A little bit to the right. A little bit to the right.
Yes.
See the gully? Well,
Yes.
look around the gully. That gully's got a drain hose, and one of those could be the gully drain hose.
Okay. Okay. Then down here we've got, this is the, I believe the water tank is over here on this side.
Okay, that's your domestic water filter, that blue piece and that wrench that goes with it.
Okay.
So that's drinking water.
Okay. But is it right? It's probably not a good idea to drink that.
Well, once you get it flushed out 2 or 3 times, then you can run the water through the hot water, through the heater,
Right.
and smell it and taste it, because the hot water will make the smell more fragrant or stinky.
Okay.
And if
Okay.
it comes out of the hot water and it's not stinky, then it should be okay.
Okay, good. Okay, so I think that's everything back here. Do you see? Is there anything else you know of?
Well, I see all your stuff crammed in places.
Yes.
Make sure it's not crammed in any place that moves, like your rudder indicator, your Raymarine autopilot indicator. None of that stuff should be restricted by cramming stuff like ropes and fenders. Now,
We're all pretty good there.
okay, now I'm looking at your life jackets. They should be up top where you can access those. You don't want them
Okay.
down there unless those are spare life jackets whenever you may have guests aboard.
That's what they are.
Okay,
We
so,
have inflatables up here.
okay. And are your inflatables type 3s? Pardon me, type 2s or type 5?
Type. Oh, I was going to answer type 3.
Well, you need to look. A type 2 and a type 3 you do not need to wear to be counted. Type 5s must be worn to be counted.
Okay, I believe it's the one that has to be worn to be counted.
Okay, so then you better get a couple of these out to meet the letter of the law.
Okay. They're top 5s, bud?
You only need one per person aboard the boat. Now, look back to your left of the generator. Okay, look at, see that big tag? What does the tag say? Up at the top.
Oh, it's type 5, yes.
So, somewhere in that paragraph, it'll say must be worn.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, look back down at the generator to the left.
Uh-huh.
See that big box? That gray box?
Here?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is a different circuit breaker. That's for the generator only. Now
Okay.
look in the far back. See where that square hole is? To the left, to the left. See those circuit breakers way, way over there?
Yes.
That's for the shore power from the marina. The big one down here is for the generator. Now look at that black and that red twist knob. See the T-knobs?
Yes.
Those are battery switches for the generator. See, it says GEN, generator. And look at the picture below where it shows you which way is on and which way is off.
Right.
So those are the battery switches for the generator.
Okay.